Hi, it's Pyro Saj here. We've got supermarket fireworks from the range here for 2024. So have a look inside. So first we've got the selection boxes. The smallest of them, the monster selection box, 13 pieces, $9.99. Family selection box, 18 piece, $14.99. The Bonfire selection box, 22 pieces, $19.99. Guy Fawkes, that's 24 pieces, $24.99. Carnival selection box, 32 pieces, $34.99. The party selection box, 27 pieces in this one, $49.99. Presidential selection box, 35 pieces in this one, $84.99. And the biggest of them, the Imperial selection box, is 50 pieces, $137.49. Got the atomizer shot tubes, 4 pieces, $2.49. The Stratosphere Pulse Roman candles, 325 shots, $13.49. And you've got some rockets, so the Delta Force rockets, 10 pieces, $4.99. Metallic Massacre rockets, 12 pieces, $24.99. We've got the Missile Command Barrage, 100 shots, $6.99. The Mighty Atom Barrage, 25 shots. It comes in 3 different designs at $9.49 each. The Slammer Barrage, 25 shot, £12.49. Here's the Gatling Barrage, so 300 shot Roman candles, $24.99. Mixed case barrage, so there's 3 different designs available, 19 shots each, and they're $14.99 each. Hellfire, 9 Invader, War Mars Attack. Here we've got the Battle of Midway. This is a fan piece, 53 shot barrage, $24.99. Lucifer's Laughter Barrage, 37 shots, $34.99. Got the Funky Frog Fountain, $9.99. The Tricolour wheels, 2 Catherine wheels in there, $5.49. Howling Hellcat Barrage, 200 shot missile cake, that is $9.99. Oriental Stars Barrage, that's a 96 shot Comets, $4.99. The Aerial Attack selection box, so they've just got aerial pieces. Don't think there's any fountains in here, it's $19.99. Starbusters, 5 pieces in here, Roman candles, $7.49. Here we've got the low noise section, so we've got the sparklers, a few different varieties there. Here we've got some Roman candles, the Calypso Pearls, 10 shots each, and there's 5 pieces, $4.99. We've got the Wizard ones, there's 4 pieces in here, so these are the handheld fountains, $4.99. They're a nice alternative to the standard sparklers. We've Got the Master Blaster rockets, 5 pieces in there, $8.49. Mercury Rising rockets, 5 pieces, $14.99. Sizzling Sentinels barrage, 19 shots, $6.99. Anthem selection box, $19.99. So the description there is wrong, it's not 4 pieces, it's much more than that. I think it's close to 20 pieces. And I believe they're F1 category, so they're all quite small, sort of novelty items. And here we've got the Victorious Barrage, 72 shots, £34.99. Let's have a look at the back, there's some bigger pieces. So here we've got 32 shot barrage, $34.99. We've got Seismic Strike barrage, 61 shots, $39.99. We've got Big Ben Countdown barrage, that's 37 shot cake, £44.99. We've got Cosmic Chaos barrage, that's a 49 shot, $49.99. The Gamma Project barrage, 120 shots, that's $74.99. We've got Hell's Messenger barrage, that's 2,000 shots, $99.99. Here we've got Armageddon, 500 shot barrage, that's $49.99. Here we've got a barrage pack, the Hitman, so there's 11 pieces in here, 398 shots in total, for £99.99. And here just some recommended bundles where they've put a few items together. And that's it for the range 2024 Bonfire Night fireworks. Thank you very much.